Hey there! Welcome to Social Work Portal's Setup class to help you get started in your Case Management Hub account. In today's session, we'll cover how to set up your profile and preferences, set up your organization's details, including company details, sites and programs, and your referral directory, add staff members and clients, and get familiar with popular features such as assessment and intake templates, correspondence, and free tools. I invite you to follow along with this video while working in your own account, and pause the video as needed. You can get to your account easily by going to casework.socialworkportal.com. Okay, so let's get started setting up and customizing some key areas of your account. We'll begin at your dashboard. This is where you come when you first log into Case Management Hub. We're going to set up your profile and preferences first. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and choose My Profile. Add your image to personalize your profile. Add or edit any details that you like, including your profile information, address, and emergency contact details. On the next tab, you can edit your password. Then, click on Notification Preferences. Case Management Hub provides helpful notifications in various categories. For each of these, you can choose to receive notifications in your Case Management Hub notifications area and/or by email. Just slide to turn any on or off. Here's an overview of the types of notifications in each category. Welcome includes your initial platform welcome messages. Warnings includes notifications when you're running out of file storage space for files that you've uploaded, or when a program or site has been deleted. The To-Dos Tasks category includes notifications of past due tasks, and when a new task has been assigned to you. Assessments and intakes includes notifications when a client has filled out an online intake or assessment form that you've sent to them. Approval notifications include when a client is being added to a new site. The site manager is sent a notification to approve that client. Next, you'll want to update your date and time settings. The first setting for date is how the date format appears for all users in your account. While the date setting is a company or practice-wide setting, the time zone setting is personal to you. This allows you to have team members throughout different regions and time zones all have their account's time set to their own personal preferences. This last tab won't be needed for this setup, but it's an area where you can upload any personal documents that you'd like. You can go ahead and pause the video now if you'd like to finish setting up your profile. Then unpause when you're ready. So now that you've set up your personal profile, let's customize your organization's profile. To do that, go to the sidebar menu. Click on Organization and Subscription near the bottom. Click on Organization, then choose Company Details. On your Company Details page, you can update your organization's name or any other information that you'd like, including adding your tax ID or Social Security number. If you've purchased the rebranding add-on, then on the My Brand and Logo tab, you can add your company's logo. This logo will then appear at the top of the site and on correspondence you send to your clients. Next, we'll get your site locations and programs set up. We'll start with the sites. To set up your site locations, you'll go to your dashboard. Then click New Site Location. Add the name of your first location. You can choose to add a description as well if you'd like. Choose your site location icon and color. your name will automatically default as the site manager. But you can remove it and add another person if you like. You can also add more than one site manager. Don't worry if you don't have staff set up yet. You can always edit these details later. Now, while we're talking about site managers, let me tell you what this designation means in Case Management Hub. The site manager has specific permissions allowing them to manage a site location. For example, when a staff member adds a new client to a site location, the site manager will get a notification to approve that client being added to their site. This ensures that a site manager knows which clients are being assigned to their location and can request more information if needed. If you've set up programs, you can show that certain programs are offered at this site location. You'll see that you can also take a shortcut and add your programs at the same time you're adding a site. But to keep things simple, we'll wait and add those shortly. Next, you can assign specific staff to the location. You can also do that later when adding staff members. Last, you can check the box if you'd like this location to be flagged as confidential. This means that only assigned staff will be able to access the site in the platform. If this box isn't checked, then all staff can access the site details and request to add clients. Now that your first site location is added, go back to your dashboard and add any other site locations that you have. Pause the video as needed. Now that your site locations are added, let's add your programs. From the dashboard, click on New Program. To save you time, we've added several standard programs that you can choose from. Choose one from the list or select Enter Customized Name and enter your own program name and description. I'm going to choose one of the default programs. Edit the program description and icon as you like. Now associate this program with one or more of your site locations. Next, you can assign specific staff or clients to the program. You can also do that later when you're adding your clients and staff to your account. We'll be going over that shortly. If you'd like the program to be confidential, meaning that only assigned staff can access it, then check the box to make the program confidential. Click Launch New Program. Go ahead and add your other programs in now. Next, you'll populate your incoming and outgoing referrals. You can manage referral contacts in your account's Referral Directory. From the sidebar menu, choose Referral Directory. Populating your directory has several benefits. You can easily attach incoming referral methods to clients when they're being created and track those. All staff members in your account have access to this referral directory. This improves efficiency and eliminates time wasted searching for referral information. You'll have access to real-time reports on the number of clients per incoming and outgoing referral contact. First, add the names and contacts for the entities that refer clients to your organization. These could be schools, nonprofits, or government agencies. If you have a private practice, you may choose to add more marketing-related incoming referral sources, such as a YouTube channel, referred by a friend, or online search. For tracking, you may also want to add one incoming referral source called walk-ins or something similar. If you need to, pause the video now and add in all your incoming referral contacts. Unpause when ready. Next, you'll click the Outgoing Referral tab and add in your outgoing referral contacts in a similar way. These are organizations that you refer clients to. Pause the video as needed to add these in. Now your organization's key details are all set up. Next, you'll be adding any other staff members that you'd like to collaborate with in your Case Management Hub account. Note that for each staff member you add, you will need to have an available user license. If you're an account owner, you can visit your subscription page to add user licenses to your subscription as needed. To add your staff members, go to your dashboard. Then click on New Staff. Add the staff member's name and contact information. Next, you'll be assigning them a permission level, so let's discuss these for a moment. Case Management Hub has 3 permission levels to choose from. The employee role can edit and work on assigned tasks and clients. They can't access clients that they haven't been added to. Employees also cannot add other staff to the platform or perform administrative functions like editing company information. An admin can do everything on the platform with the exception of managing the subscription. They can see all clients, programs, and sites, whether they've been added to them or not. They can also add, remove, and manage staff. An account owner can do everything in the platform that an admin can do. Plus, they can manage the account subscription, including removing or adding items to the subscription plan. When you first sign up for a trial or subscribe to Case Management Hub, you're automatically made an account owner. Once you choose the staff member's permission level, you can then assign them to a site location and specific programs. If you've added clients to the platform, you can assign them to the new staff member. Upload a staff profile image if you like, and click Save. Now, how does the new staff member know that they've been added and log in to the Case Management Hub? We've made it easy. As soon as you add them, they receive an email with their login details and a link to log in. If you have more staff members to add at this time, pause the video, add them, then unpause when ready. Now we're going to add your clients. We've made this process as easy as possible. Go to your dashboard and click New Client. Add in their first and last name. If they have a nickname or preferred name, you can add that as well. Add in their email next. Note that the system will default to this email address when you send your client forms or communications from your Case Management Hub account. Next, you can assign staff to the client. Remember, if someone has an employee role in the platform, they will need to be assigned to the client if you want them to have access to this client's record. If they are an admin or account owner, then they can access the client's record whether they are added or not. You can also choose to send the client an intake or assessment form while creating them. Learn more about this process in our tutorial video on intakes and assessments. Go ahead and pause the video if needed and add in the rest of your clients. Take a moment to stop and congratulate yourself now, because you've got your account all set up and personalized for your organization. We're going to take a few more minutes to help you get familiar with some of the popular features of Case Management Hub that can boost the efficiency of your work. We'll look at assessment and intake templates first, including showing you how to add your own templates to your account. From the dashboard, click on New Client Assessment. Now take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the wide variety of assessment templates available to you in the platform. You can click into any of them to see the details. Now close this window and click on New Client Intake. Review the available intake templates. As I mentioned, you can review our tutorial videos on intakes and assessments to see how to send these to your clients. Now, I'll show you 2 ways to add your own assessment or intake form to your Case Management Hub account. First, we'll start at the dashboard and click on New Intake. We'll create a template by clicking Create Your Own Template. If you have a form in mind already that you'd like to add, you can create that as you follow along with the video. Intakes and assessments follow the same form building process. First, enter the name and description of your form. If you want your description to show up on your form, check the box. Click Proceed. You start building your form by adding a form section from the Form Element drop-down at the top. Click the blue arrow to add it. You'll see it here. Scroll down to add a section label. This will show up on your form. Using sections allows you to name certain groups of information, such as client details or mental health history. Sections help keep your form organized, and they can also be saved as templates that you can insert on other forms when building them. Now I'm going to add a text box field for first name. I'm going to make it a 2-column field. Then I'll do the same for last name. I'll next add a selection choice field, asking, is this your first time here? And I'll add yes and no as the 2 options. Continue building out your form, adding your section areas to hold specific fields, and inside those adding either a text, single selection, or multi-selection field. You can also add blocks of text by using the text block element. Save your form when ready. Now, whenever you create an intake form, your new form will be showing in the User-Created Intake Forms area. Now I'll show you one more way that you can customize intakes and assessments in your Case Management Hub account. You can edit an existing template. First, find the template that you'd like to edit and click to open. Then click Edit Template. You are now in the same form builder that we used when creating a template from scratch. You can remove fields, add fields, or edit existing fields to customize the form template for your needs. Note that when you customize an existing template, the old version is overwritten and your new version is saved. If you need any additional guidance adding your own custom assessment and intake forms to your account, I invite you to sign up for one of our weekly webinars. Just use the contact icon at the top. You'll get live help from one of our friendly support experts. You can also reach out to us anytime by phone or email. Next, we're going to take a look at another template category you have available in Case Management Hub. From the dashboard, click on Correspondence Templates. To save you time and add value to our software, we've added a wide variety of different types of letters used by social workers, case managers, therapists, and counselors. These include general use letters, SSA and insurance letters, legal letters, and private practice letters. Click on one or more letters, then click Send to open the letter. When you send letters to a client, you can populate the client details and edit the letter before it's sent, even adding images. You can also easily copy-paste another letter that you might have saved on your computer into the template. Now that you know about some of the time-saving assessment, intake, and correspondence templates, let's look at one last resource. In the sidebar menu, click on My Free Tools. You'll find a collection of downloadable Word, PDF, and PowerPoint templates that you can use. And that completes our Social Work Portal class on setting up your Case Management Hub account. Please check out our other video demos for more helpful tips on taking full advantage of all the awesome features available to you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll be happy to help.